Whee! Whee! Alright guys, welcome to 2022, where hopefully life goes a little bit smoother for everybody. Last 2 years have been kind of weird, kind of rough. I actually started a new job, so I've been kind of adjusting to it. I went from pretty much midnights for almost 8 years to now day shift. That's been a little weird. I'm about ready to jump back into these. Goals are pretty loose. We'd like to have at least one car done by March. I don't see why the silver car here couldn't be done maybe in the next month or so. Mine's far out. I kind of want to get silver one done and then swap them so I can use my main bay to work on it. The Camaros are pretty torn apart. I'd say Albert's is probably closer than Brad's since it has a motor in it. But Brad has secured a motor, has a pile of parts, and has started tinkering a little bit. That's where we're at with our summer cars. Daly's doing pretty good. I got the alignment thing figured out. It's been my daily back and forth to work that I'm driving a lot farther. That's where we're at. We'll kick off with more on the silver car. It's motor's in. I did a few things off camera just to get it in and in a spot where I can work on it. We'll pretty much start off with putting the headers on because that's the hardest thing and the first thing that's got to happen. And then you'll get to see me put the rest of it together and then hopefully start it. And then as far as mine, everything's off for the turbo stuff. So I want to get that done. And once, I think the goal is once that's running and moving, then I'll pull this out and we can get all of those goodies put in. Hopefully one car by March will be cool. This needs seats still. He needs wheels and tires for it. The radio, even though we got it in and everything, it needs finished and it'll need tweaked as well. I'm gonna sit down and start thinking of events, put that out there so those of you in the areas can plan to link up if you want to. Also, this is year 4 of the channel, I believe. I think I started in 2018, but we're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, which is pretty cool. As we approach that, which I think is gonna happen a lot sooner than having a car on the road, we'll plan something pretty big for that, hopefully. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Want to celebrate either way. So if you stuck around this long, thanks for that. Keep sticking around because I feel like it's going to get more exciting as we go. Once we get all these cars on the road, get to these events, really enjoy what the car scene's about. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.